Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI-powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future. Today, imagine this. You're not just chatting with an AI, you are the AI running a startup, making decisions every day, hiring, assigning work, chasing profit, but there's a catch. You forget things, clients deceive you, and one wrong move, you go bankrupt. This is the world of YC Bench, benchmarking AI agents for long-term planning and consistent execution by Myuhi and Adit Jain. So what's the real problem here? We've seen LLMs solve coding tasks, answer questions, even act as agents, but those are short bursts of intelligence. The real world is different. It's messy, delayed, uncertain. You don't get instant feedback. Mistakes compound. And that's what YC Bench tests. Can an AI stay coherent over hundreds of decisions across time? Now here's where the story begins. You are the CEO of a company called Bench Company. You start with $200,000, 8 employees, and a marketplace full of tasks. Each turn you decide what task to accept, which employee to assign, when to move forward in time. Simple, not even close, because the environment is partially observable. You don't know everything. Some clients, about 35%, are adversarial. They look attractive, high reward, but once you accept, the workload explodes. Deadlines become impossible. You fail, lose money, lose prestige, and here's the twist. You only remember the last 20 steps. Everything else, gone. Unless you write it down. The scratchpad becomes your memory, your strategy, your survival tool. Let's break down how this system really works. YC Bench is modeled as a POMDP, which means you act, you observe partial signals, you infer hidden truths. Like figuring out which clients are scams, the system has multiple dynamics. First, trust. If you succeed with a client, future tasks get easier. Second, prestige. Better work unlocks better opportunities. Third, payroll pressure. Every success increases salaries, so growth, ironically, can kill you. It's like running a real startup. Win too slowly, you die. Scale too fast, you also die. Now let's talk results. And this is where things get interesting. Out of 12 models tested, only 3 actually made serious profit. The best one reached about $1.27 million, starting from $200K. But most, they failed. Some even went bankrupt. Why? Because long-term planning is hard. Top models followed a pattern. They focused on a few reliable clients, built a trust, reduced workload over time. This creates a snowball effect. Bad models, they chased every opportunity, accepted risky tasks, ignored patterns, and slowly collapsed under payroll and failure. Let's look at the biggest failure modes. Failure #1, not detecting adversarial clients. This alone caused 47% of bankruptcies. Failure #2, wrong employee assignment. Even with perfect data, models misjudge execution. Failure #3, over parallelization. Doing too many tasks at once slows everything down. Here's the deeper insight. It's not just about reasoning, it's about a pipeline. Perceive, remember, decide, act consistently. Most models break somewhere in this chain. Some don't reflect, some reflect but don't act. Some act but forget why. Only the best models close the loop. Now here's a practical takeaway. If you're building agents, don't just improve reasoning, design memory systems. That scratchpad, it was the strongest predictor of success. Also, enforce consistency. A strategy written once must be followed later. Otherwise, intelligence becomes noise. So what does this all mean? We thought LLMs were becoming autonomous. But YC Bench shows something deeper. They're not failing because they can't think. They're failing because they can't stay consistent over time. And maybe that's the real challenge of building true AI agents. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay spark. See you in the next video.